Okay, everyone. Now, I've mentioned in a video or two about Patreon. I've just joined Patreon, Go Element Autoworks, and it enables me to have a more personal one-on-one, I guess, relationship with my customers and with my fans and with my supporters. And so it has three different tiers: a $5 tier, a $25 tier, and a $100 tier. The $25 tier, you'll receive a t-shirt, you'll receive merchandise. The $100 tier, you'll also automatically receive merchandise. And so what this does, it gives me a financial support that allows me to continue to buy these cars, continue to work on these cars, modify these cars, and present tutorials and how-to videos on how you can do these upgrades to your car. So I'm usually not the type to really ask for financial support regarding this. This is a hobby. This is what I do out of love. I share it out of love. But I understand that this does cost money. And so by becoming a member of my Patreon, that will allow me to continue to do what I do. And it will also open up doors, allowing me to do so in a more effective manner or fashion that suits your needs. It gives you direct, I guess, influence, financial influence on the decisions that I make and the type of videos that I post. So I just wanted to throw that out there to check out my Patreon, Go Element Autoworks, and see if that interests you at all. And if you have any opinions about that, share that as well. I'm always open. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to grow. When I decided to make this into an actual business, an actual company, I started off kind of with an open mind because there's so much that I don't know. And so every day I'm doing research and I'm learning how I can grow, how I can be more proficient and more effective, and how I can really suit my customers' needs better. And so with Patreon, this creates an opportunity for me, creates an opportunity for my customers, my supporters. So check that out. Continue to go to my website. Check me out on there, goelementautoworks.com. Well, that's www.goelement.work. What? You know what I'm trying to say. www.goelementautoworks.com. Okay. Check me out on there as well. And of course, my social media platforms. Check me out on there. Continue to help out and support and give suggestions and all the things that you have done thus far. Continue to help me to grow so that I can continue to share and we can grow as a community regarding these Mercedes-Benz and ownership. things to look out for, things to how to repair, how to fix, how to modify, how to customize. Okay, love you guys. Again, thank you for your support, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.